Hello everyone, I hope you have a good time. And this video I'm going to show you how to fix the toolbar is hide, how to get back. You just go into the window and the all option is tools for showing. Okay, just click here. For example, you can see it show it. So tools, and this is everything is come back to the first point. So you can have click and holding, you can see another tools for using of your project, for example. So now this video is come to end. I hope you love this video, like and share for another people's, and subscribe on my channel to see more videos and next time. So thank you for watching and goodbye.